Hi folks, welcome back. Today in the kitchen I'm going to be cooking my big boy buffalo burger. Absolutely delicious. I buy all of my buffalo meat from Oakley's farm in Staffordshire. The buffalo are very well looked after. They're fed on a completely natural diet of hay, straw and grass from rich pastures. Every attention is paid to the animal's welfare. No growth-promoting hormones are used. Buffalo meat contains 70% less fat than beef, and it's also a valuable source of omega-3. Full-flavoured and tender, it's often likened to the taste of good quality beef and can be prepared in the same way. Let's get going. We'll start by finely slicing an onion. You want the slices to be as thin as possible so you can almost see through them. Next, I'm going to cut up a few gherkins. I'll slice a few lengthways to go on top of the burger. And then I'm going to cut one up into little chunks that will go in the sauce. To make the sauce, it's nice and simple. Use 2 parts mayonnaise, 1 part ketchup. That is the base of a very basic burger sauce. To elevate my sauce, I'm going to add in some pickle juice. I'll grind in a little bit of pepper. And then I'll add the chunks of pickle as well. Now it's time to prepare the burgers. I'm going to salt them both sides just before cooking. Don't do it any sooner because it'll suck all the moisture out of the meat. Add some oil to your pan and let it warm. We don't want the pan too hot at this point. We're going to throw in the onions and gently soften them just for a minute or two. If the pan's too hot, the onions will just burn. Once your onions have started to take on a little bit of colour and softened up, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Now it's time to get the burgers on. At the same time, I've got another pan going. This is going to be for the bread. It's on very low, so it toasts lightly. Give your burgers a couple of minutes to lock in that flavour. When they're ready, give them a flip. Remember to rotate your buns as well so they toast evenly all the way around. Add the cheese to your burger while it's in the pan to help it melt. Once you've added your cheese, you can stack the buffalo patties. Now these have had a couple of minutes both sides. It's time to plate them. There's no need to rush this part. Give your burgers a chance to rest. Prepare your bun by spreading some of your homemade sauce on the base. Next, we're going to place the burgers on the bun. And then cover it with onions. Add your pickles, if you're that way inclined. If not, add some more of your sauce. This is one meaty burger and it will satisfy any appetite. Top your bun off to finish. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one, folks. If you did, do me a favour, hit that like and subscribe button. I have some great ideas for future buffalo recipes, so stay tuned.